Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my Friday night gab. Aw, Smudge has been sitting here, and now he's gonna leave. Camille came up, so you know they aren't the best of friends, and I don't know. Maybe it'll change someday. Anyway, y'all, it is Friday. It's October 6th. I can't believe it. It still feels like summer to me. It is summer here, so I think we're gonna be cool tomorrow. Boy, I had my eyes done real pretty, but I don't like the way that it's showing on camera. But anyway, it's okay. Oh, I took my earrings off. I didn't even remember doing that. I changed into a t-shirt because I'm tired. Cats are greater than people. So here they are. Okay, Smudge is staying. Camille is right here. Anyway, y'all, how are you liking the Fab Fit Fun spoilers? There's a lot of items. Each category has a lot to pick from, which I do appreciate that. But I just think when you've gotten it as long as I have, maybe it's not, that first box I got was just like the bee's knees. It was the best thing I ever got in my life, kind of thing. And I'm not quite there anymore. But I know that I'll be able to pick some nice things, valuable things that if I don't use, they can be used as gifts and things like that. What do y'all think? Okay, Blue, we have to show everybody our bottoms. Yes, we do. Okay, so a few of you have asked me to recommend an advent calendar to you that is affordable. And there's many advent calendars. So I did see one that, I try to keep a good watch on them. They're Ulta Beauty. They don't usually have, how they have, those kinds of places have gift boxes of different things. Like they have a Too Faced package and a Bare Minerals package, that kind of stuff. They have things like that if you like that kind of thing. But they do have what appears to be a really good calendar this year. And it is a 25-day calendar, or it's a 24-day calendar, and it's $60, y'all. Now, most of it is, I think all of it are deluxe samples. So like what you would get in your little Ipsy bag, in your Ipsy Glam bag. You get those 5 items for $15. This is 25 items, and it's $60. I think it's a good deal. There's Briogeo brand, there's Living Proof, there's Origins, Peter Thomas Roth, Sunday Riley, there's Supergoop, there's Juice Beauty, there's Kopari and Murad and Olaplex and Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels, 1 pair. There is Tula Skincare. So, but when I look at the sizing of everything, it all sounds like they are the deluxe sample sizes, which is a nice way to try new products. There's many, there's Perricone. I have a list. You can go on Ulta's website and look at it. And it shows you the details. You can see what's all in there if you want to know ahead of time. But some of y'all had asked me, so it ends up being $2.50 an item. If you are on Ipsy and you buy the deluxe samples, they're $3.50. So it is a good price, I think. And you'll have a great array of items to try and see if you like. So that is the best deal that I've seen as far as beauty advent calendars go. Most of them are $100 plus. Some of them are several $100s, so it just depends on how much you want to spend. So those that were asking me about a reasonable one, usually usually the most reasonable ones are about $99. So, we don't have Glossy Box this year. That one's usually around $100-ish. So anyway, that takes care of that. I wanted to also, I know I have a list of things. Okay, I wanted to tell y'all. Well, first of all, okay, my 2,000 subscriber giveaway winner is Betty Vick. I did make a video on that. It was somewhere during this week I posted it. So if you didn't see that, go see that and congratulate Betty. And also I have the Fall into Halloween collab going on, the Dollar Tree Train. And I'm going to mention all the channels again, but I need to tell y'all most of the channels involved you have to be subscribed to all of us. So if you're new to my channel, please listen carefully. If you have been around a while, you may want to check this out also. If any of those of the 12 channels are new to you and you went over and you clicked subscribe and you entered their giveaway, you may want to just make sure that you're still subscribed, because we all lost a few subscribers the day after it went live on Sunday, and Monday we all went down some. And that happens sometimes when a bunch of people subscribe at the same time. And also, so YouTube doesn't like you to know any secrets, so they don't like to tell us. But what I've learned from other channels and other collabs and things along the way is you should watch a video for at least 4 minutes and then subscribe. And then you should also engage on that video, whether you need to click the up or down arrow, and then also comment. And it's helpful if you can watch more than one video. Of course, there's 12 channels, so that might be difficult for you to do. But I know that some of us already, so you might already be watching our videos. So if you're like a longtime subscriber of mine and you joined some other channels, just make sure you're still subscribed to me as well, okay? Because I don't want to lose you over YouTube craziness, okay? So just go and check. And also another thing is, especially if you're new to YouTube, if you're a newer person watching, you have to be publicly subscribed to all 12 channels, publicly subscribed. I will put my video below in the description of how to make your channel publicly subscribed. On your computer, it's a couple of steps. On your phone, it's even easier. So if you can't do it on a computer, my instructions are for a computer. Just ask me and I'll tell you. I can't show you on my phone because I record on my phone. So, but it's just a couple of steps, not even. It's super easy on the phone. So I'll, if I remembered it right now, I'd tell you, but I can't remember. But you click on your face in the upper right corner, and then it's just right there. I just don't remember exactly what it looks like. So ask me if you need help. I'm more than happy to help. What I'm gonna say to you, if you're new to YouTube and you did not go and make yourself public, then you are not public. A lot of people say, oh, I can see my comments. I can see my comments on that person's channel. That doesn't mean you're public. That has nothing to do with it. Yes, we can see your comments. YouTube, when you create a name, you're creating a channel. When you sign on to YouTube, YouTube makes your account, whatever you want to call it, they make you private for your protection so that nobody knows your information. So you have to physically go in and make yourself public. And people aren't going to garner your information. It just depends on what we can see. That you cannot see when you're private is we can see what channels you subscribe to. So then we can see if we're all in there, and then we can you can win the giveaways. So I just wanted to say that, and if you don't understand any of that, let me know. Okay, so the channels that are involved are Miss Jackie Russell, Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More, Reviews with Sue, Faye Blatcher, Laura Wooten Reviews, Favorites with Laura, Katie's Corner of the World, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Unboxing with Arlene, Lori's Life, Simply Southern Belle, which is Brandy, and me. I think that's everybody. So 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 of us, okay? So I just want to make that real clear because you don't want to miss out on the giveaways. And I'll try to remind everybody again on Monday, Mass Monday and things like that, okay? Now this is not live tonight. I am not live. Next Friday is Friday the 13th, and I'm going to go live 8 o'clock Eastern time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So come and see me. I did do a Stitch Fix this week. I actually did it a couple weeks ago, y'all, but I didn't have time to put it up. I didn't keep anything. I love the rayon tops, but all that I read about and all that y'all tell me that I have to do, You know, you can put it in the washer and then you can't put it in the dryer, and they all are like a gauzy material, so they have a bit of a wrinkle to them. But you know, if you have to hand wash is the best way, and then squeeze all the water out, you're gonna have wrinkles, and I don't have time. I can't iron it because it has a texture to the fabric, air drying, I don't know. How do you get those wrinkles out? So I'm saying no to rayon. I'm going to ask them not to send me any rayon. And also, the lovely Tracy and her daughter Chloe, Unboxing Beauty and More, who's in my collab, she's getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. So please make sure you go see her. And, you know, let's, you know, she has a great channel of unboxing, and she does a lot of things, beauty things and more. And then her daughter Chloe gets involved with her sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes it's just Tracy, but go check her out if you don't know her already, and you'll want to anyway for the collab. She's getting very close to 1,000. I'm excited about that. And that might be about it, y'all. I know the video gets long if I go too long. I do have a few giveaways going on. The Dollar Tree train, the one that I'm telling you about, the fall into Halloween. It was a lot of fun to do, and y'all, there's 12 giveaways, so go check that out. And then my treasure trove is always going on. My giveaway, I won so you can win. You have to be subscribed to me and to Miss Jackie Russell. That one ends tomorrow. I did put down noon Central Time, I think is what I usually put down. I won't be around until the afternoon. So if you're a little late on that, getting in, go check it out, because, you know, do what I don't remember even what I asked you to do, but do what I asked you to do to, if you want to be in to win that, you know, for me to pick you, possibly pick you to win the giveaway. Okay. And I also did a video this week about Lume deodorant. And I did want to make it clear, I don't get that for free at all. Most everything on my channel I pay for. It's just something that I have seen the commercials, and yes, the commercials can be very obnoxious, but I've been seeing the commercials for a long time. This was actually last year. I just decided that I would try it, and I got it last fall, so I've been using it for about a year now, and it's wonderful stuff. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. There's really nothing like it. I've tried many different deodorants and antiperspirants and what have you. And it is a deodorant, so you still can perspire, but you have no odor. So if you still, like I still put, if it's going to be a hot day, I still put antiperspirant under my arms. But the Lume, you can put it in, you know, the back of your knee. If the back of your knee gets wet, it'll help you not stink. It's wonderful. Anyway, I'll put that video below if you want to see it. I don't have to talk about it now. I just wanted to let you all know, because several people were commenting, and some people are, you know, I did not get it for free. I wish I'd get it for free, but they want really big channels before they will do that. It's one of those products that I really do use and buy it myself, and just want to tell you about it. Like Spongel, you know, like to me, it's a life-changing thing. That's how Lume is. There's a few things like that if I am overjoyed about it, I want you all to know about it. So go check out my giveaways, and I think that might be about it. If there's anything else, if you have any questions for me, just ask me. And I think that's it, y'all. Have a great weekend. It's still hot here. Y'all, it's still hot. Our 7-day, 10-day forecast, whatever, whoever you ask, if you ask Alexa, you get a wrong answer. If you look at the weather around here, we're a small place. We don't have our own, you know, local weather. We have to go an hour direction, either Birmingham or Huntsville, for their weather. And it's supposed to be 66 for a high tomorrow. So we'll see if that happens. I am helping at a yard sale that is a yard sale that is to raise money to help a young person in school. It's too much to go into, but I have to be there at 6 a.m. So it's going to be cold when I get there, but then it's going to warm up during the day. And 66 sounds wonderful, and it is. 66 in Alabama can be warm, quite warm. So You know, but I love the 60s and the 70s, and we're going to be going from the 80s to the 60s. So, but when I look at the 10-day, it's not going to last. We really are not having fall here, and all the leaves are just falling and dropping dead. They're not turning. So I hope y'all are having a really wonderful, beautiful autumn. And, you know, this kind of stuff is what brings me in my autumn going on. So you can't even see, oh, you can't even see that, what it says. It says fall blessings. Anyway, y'all, fall blessings to y'all. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend, and hope to see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.